If not for you, I'd be fine on my own. And this longing still unknown. You make me want to share with you everything I have. You can have it too. I care more about what happens to you than I ever thought was possible to do. As long as you are in this world, among the people, buildings and birds. As long as I am in it too, I'll be longing for you. That's why it's so very tough. Now being by yourself, it's no longer enough. When you have someone you care for so much, I never knew I could feel so touched. As long as you are in this world, among the people, buildings and birds.